all of you are here. Thanks for being here. I'll just take some of your time to share some things around how we can connect better with the multimedia youth. I think before I go in to talk about this, I think give you a brief introduction about myself. So I'm Anuj Kumar. You can obviously read that and see my Twitter handle. You can connect with me out there. And I'm the CEO of Affle. For all of you who don't know, Affle is a mobile technology and a mobile advertising company. I started off this company with a team of co-founders around 5 years back. And we're headquartered in Singapore, and we do a lot of mobile technology innovation. I think this subject is very close to my heart because we are building a lot of technology. We started building technologies around mobile devices 5 years ago, which was around mobile application kind of technologies. And 5 years ago, I'm sure all of you who were using mobile devices realized that none of you were even downloading or using any applications. So we've been in that space. I've watched that technology grow. I'm an avid observer of how technology trends are evolving. And I think based on those kind of learnings, also looking at how we can, so I think today if I look at our business, we started off as a mobile company doing business on the mobile screen. And what we are realizing that the kind of consumers we are talking to are the youth who are actually not contained in their content or their media experience to one screen. So as the user is evolving to multiple screens, as a company, we need to evolve and ensure that our offerings are available on all the screens which the user is looking at. So I think coming from a company which faces these challenges, which is trying to modify the business to ensure that it can reach out to the right audience which we've been talking to, I think what I'll like to do is share some of my thoughts on what I feel around connecting with youth which are using multiple screens, and really talk to you around how the technology is evolving and how it's becoming very, very important to realize that change, because I think what we're realizing is that it's like digital marketing is not around it being a piece of your marketing plan. Digital marketing is the way consumers are consuming content. So consumers are consuming all content digitally, and thus all marketing needs to be on the digital platform to really be relevant to the audience you're talking to. So I guess that's pretty much the background around myself and what I mean to share with you today. I think the structure is I've kept it fairly low in terms of you won't see any graphs or stuff around in this presentation. I don't think I'm an expert on the subject to share that kind of thing. What I'm here is to share more of my knowledge around the topic and share with you certain trends or possibly some interesting videos or case studies which I really like, which I think could throw greater light on this subject. So I think that's the structure in which I would like to take this. I think I told you that when I started off this company in late 2005, early 2006, I think the world was simple. I think at that time the mobile device was evolving. It was fairly known that there was a first screen which was a television screen, the second screen became your PC screen, and the third screen was your mobile screen. World was simple. There were pretty much 3 screens which the users were looking at. The definition of those screens was quite clear, and the hierarchy was also very clear, because users was using the larger screen more for more relaxed content consumption. The mobile screen in those days, 2005, 2006, was primarily for calling and messaging, not really anything beyond that. So I think at that time, the world was fairly linear. You had 3 screens how you could communicate to users on, and there was a clear hierarchy between those screens. I think and I also remember that when we were starting off this company in 2006, at one time we were debating in terms of what to name the company. And there was somebody in the team who suggested why not use a name which is close to a third screen. And possibly, I feel quite happy that we didn't have a company name which is related to that, because that third screen is possibly the first screen today. It's the screen which all of us look at much more often than any other screen out here. And I think you'll have lots of trivia. I think I was reading something the other day which I found very interesting. There are more people who sleep with the mobile devices than those who sleep with their spouse. So, and I think that's a reality. All of us need to accept that. That's the device which we are seeing. We are seeing the screen far more often. So, but that was still a linear world where things were defined. The hierarchies were there. There was a first, second, and third screen. But I think the screens have evolved, and so have their comparative rankings. So before we go in further in terms of trying to understand how to connect with audiences which are using such diverse kind of screens to consume content, just wanted to share, maybe we could just start with a small video just give you an insight in terms of how consumers are using this technology, and possibly how you could see some of those technologies changing the way consumers are behaving in not like 10 years from now, but maybe a year or two from now.